Okay, then I will move to the next project. So let's welcome Gameland.
So I'm Jigar. I'm going to present Gameland Metaverse. This is a metaverse game where you can play with each other, you can talk with each other, you can earn in game token, and you can mint NFT. So before we start, the current Web3 gaming space, what is the facing their problem? Basically, it is less enjoyment in the game of Web3. Basically, they are focused on more earning models. So and when we start the game, you have to buy some NFT to play the game. So basically, the way current Web3 industry is ongoing, it is kind of unsustainable. It is not. It will not go longer for the period. So for that, we found the solution which we have implemented in our game. So basically, our game is more focused on the fun and enjoyment. So it will, I mean, user would like to play the game for longer period. Our game is free to play. You don't have to pay anything to start the game, and we are also providing play and earn model. So user can also play and earn during this game. The game will be community driven. Game development will be done. So basically, based on the community demand, we will add different kind of mini games in the game. So that will be our major one concern. Second thing is, it will be we will provide community support and awareness so that web 2 users can jump to web 3 games easily. So what are the features of our game? So game is a free to play and play and earn model. So basically win-win for developers as well as game players. In this game you can play with other online players, or you can play in solo mode. And in solo mode you can complete different kind of missions and you can earn coins. You can also visit a virtual world of other online players, which can be created with NFT. And in this game there is a decentralized finance. With that you can buy coins from Trust EVM. You can also earn daily reward as ERC20 token, and you can mint NFT as a fun world item, which can be used in your virtual world. You can also do voice chat with other online players. If we talk about blockchain, then we are using Trust EVM testnet for now, and we have created two smart contracts for now. One is for in-game purchase and NFT minting, and another one is for ERC20 token. We are also calling this a smart contract for balance and different kind of stuff like NFT data and that kind of stuff. If we talk about revenue model, then game will earn revenue from in-game purchase, tokenization, ad monetization, and direct brand promotion. If we talk about future roadmap, then we would like to add more fun world item and characters and environment in this game, more missions and tasks in the game to engage players for longer period, a leaderboard and achievements, game tokenization in the game, in-game NFT store to sell and buy directly within the game in the virtual world, improving game economy mechanism, developing it for Android and iOS, and deploy it on mainnet. So it's time to show a live demo. So I have already logged in with EVM with MetaMask, and we are in the metaverse. So if you can see on left of side, you can see the ERC20 token which we have earned during this gameplay, and next to it we have in-game coins which you can also buy from the store, which you can buy with EVM testnet. If you go to this store, uh, this is the NFT store. These are basically virtual world items we can buy with coins. If we go to this online player, if we go near to her, then we can see this globe icon. If we click on it, this virtual world is basically created by that online player. So we can visit other online players virtual world. And if you are playing solo in this game, then we can have if you will go in this, you will feel the adventure and you will have different missions in this game. Like if we are here, if we will go here, we will find one mission and we have to complete it. And once we complete the mission, we will earn some coins. So this game, I mean, we can play with friends, we can play with other online users, and we can also do voice chat. So this is current our prototype. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have you deployed on Trust EVM testnet
Yeah,
already?
yeah, I have already deployed on a test EVM testnet.
Thank you for your thank you for your work.
Yeah.
And yeah, can you share more about the economic model with us?
Yeah, definitely. So currently, what I am thinking is, I mean, we want to, we have already given daily game reward, which is ERC20, which we can utilize. I mean, currently we can buy coins with only Trust EVM coins, but in future we will be able to exchange those ERC20 token with, I mean, coins. So you can exchange it to buy the different NFT. And yeah, we want to add a different kind of environment. As you can see, currently we have a jungle kind of thing, but we want to add a more metaverse kind of environment, so which we can buy with those ERC20 tokens. So yeah, in that way we can utilize it.
I see. And we thought there are some plans for the future and
Yeah,
future deployment.
yeah.
Did you finalize like a timeline, more
Yeah, definitely.
specific date?
Exactly. So basically, I mean, currently we have a Web3 prototype ready, but still we are working on some 3D access and that kind of stuff. So in first quarter of 2023, we will start work on Android and iOS, because I mean, majority users will be on mobile. So yeah, we will start in January 2023, and end of the 23 we are thinking that we will launch this game on mainnet after all the testing and analysis.
Okay, I
Yeah,
see. Okay. I think I have no more questions. Very good.
yeah.
And
Thank you so
very
much for this
funny but project.
opportunity.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for coming. So I will move on. Let's welcome the next project, Cyberpop Metaverse.
Hi guys, my name is Rebecca. It's my great pleasure to introduce our project Cyberpop Metaverse, an open world metaverse game populated with user-generated content. This game combines exploration, combat, and the play creates to earn. And the following are four of our co-founders, and next are some core members of the game team and the blockchain team. And here are some of the NFTs which will be used in the game. Players can log into the game through MetaMask. After purchasing characters, they can load them up into the game and equip them with weapons. They can additionally equip gemstones and sport cards, empower their character. By doing so, overall performance will be better, and income from gold farming should increase as well. Unlike most blockchain games, when you are fighting a monster, you can really feel the urgency in combat, which makes for great gameplay. And this is the game plot. This game is divided into four chapters, and the plot is deeply linked with the Prince of Persia IP. The author of this story, Ma, is the most popular in the cyber style genre. He wrote Cyber Taoist, which is a cyber style novel that is very popular in South and East Asia. Our game is supported by a rich story and will be deeply cherished by fans. And our game world can be divided into three maps: the Asian Pacific, Middle East, Europe, and America. We intend to promote our game globally, so we will consider the aesthetic preference of each region. By doing this, we can guarantee a game that will attract a large user base and encourage them to participate in creating their own cyberspaces. And these subspaces will be built by players, and these subspaces are a core feature of our game, all inside a one-to-one modeling of our real world based on LBS technology. Different from traditional games, we firmly believe that the contents of the metaverse should be developed by the players. We believe that the whole industry will transition from PGC, which means professionally generated content, to UGC, which means user generated content. Well, utilize the UGC editor, players can build homes, cars, airships, roads, etc. These building materials can be obtained from fighting monsters in the cyber hall and performing certain tasks. Players use materials gained to build anything they want. Players can sell their assets after the building is complete. This will enrich the play to earn part. Okay, now let's watch the demo video. Here, players can organize and piece together parts collected to recreate NFTs in their cyberspace and increase their value. Players' building can only be seen by themselves. However, they can upload their cyber city to the shared cyberspace, where all players can see them. Using land and uploading building into cyberspace requires players to pay fees. This will bring diversified income to the platform. If their design is appreciated by other players, the game system will reward them with tokens. Strategies like this encourage players to build in cyberspace. To make it easier for players to make NFTs, we put forth a great effort in developing the UGC editor. In the video, you can see that when two blocks are connected, you can form a bridge that allows players to move between the two blocks. The wave function collapse algorithm realizes this. After you finish your building, you can turn the third perspective into the first perspective, which means you can walk on the road and walk in these buildings. The algorithm ensures players to create a cohesive and attractive metaverse, even if they are lacking aesthetically. Our UGC platform is supported by a AAA quality, which really sets it apart from traditional sandbox voxel games. With this quality, players will have a lifelike experience in the metaverse. And players can also create their own virtual idols by staking CYT. We will continue to introduce other functions such as social interaction, identity system, and organizations. The holders of these virtual idols can promote our game on other platforms to attract other new players, forming a positive circle of our token economy. And we've adopted the dual token model, which can effectively solve the dilemma of current token models. In our game design, there's an anchor mechanism to control the price of tokens. When the system detects a large fluctuation in the token price, it will trigger the regulatory mechanism to limit the gold farming consumption, output transactions, and the rewards to achieve smooth and stable growth of the game's economy. To promote user retention, we encourage each players to participate in as many aspects of the game as possible. Being a collaborative game, a player's experience made up of other players' feedback. We reward those who've made contributions to the game and regularly invite them to take part in the game's governance. This model of interaction is more familiar and friendly. And here are some of the keys in the game. Players can additionally earn badges for achievements in the game. Some examples: if you are responsible for bringing new players into the game, you will be awarded the badge The Preacher, which can be used to get new customer rewards in the future. If you earn Investor's Badge, you will be able to see our daily work content, the project phase progression, and fund use plan on the official website. In order to create an identity system for players to increase their sense of belonging, we will establish a cyber club. Members will have their own unique NFT avatars. These players can enjoy corresponding privileges. We will continue designing systems to empower users' identities and uniqueness. And to make players' NFTs more valuable, we need to promote the circulation of NFTs, so we designed multiple NFT pools. Players can put different types of NFTs into pools to generate income according to their needs. Some people are willing to invest money but don't have the time to play the game, while others have the time to play but lack the funds to buy equipment. So we opened the NFT rental system, which can manage the NFTs that players idle and host it on the server, and then rent them to the players who needs NFTs. It can achieve the goal that players get NFTs to experience the game freely. There's no project in the market now that can give NFTs as many functions and usage scenarios as we can. So this is the bright spot of our project. And we believe that artists have greater development potential, like leasing. Currently, the market is almost entirely P2P. Other games lack the application that our game provides to enforce the value of our NFTs. So this is the greatest opportunity for us. And here are some of our partners. And to sum it all up, Cyberpop is a blockchain game with high playability, featuring high personalized experience and advanced token economics. We're confident that we can create a AAA world-class blockchain game. We hope that investors around the globe will see our confidence and join us so that we can lead this change in the game industry together. So that's all for my introduction. Thank you.
Thank you, Rebecca. Do you mind a brief touch on the slides here, because we didn't catch you while you're during your presentation. Yeah, we didn't go through this. And
which one? Which page?
how about the economic model?
Well, the economic part is not included here. It's not in the deck. But
Okay.
I will give you a brief intro about the token economics. There are two types of tokens. Game one is the government token. The CYT one is the coins. The cyber coins, which is to be circulating in the game. The main usage of the game is to buy in-game items such as the gemstones, the selling points, the stuff that is used to be used in the game, and the coins and the CYTs will be exchangeable to a certain ratio in the future when the CYT is listed. Yeah.
I see. Okay. Do you have any demos or demo videos to share with us about the gameplay?
Yeah, one step, please.
I
Can you see now?
see. Yeah.
Okay. You can see the fighting effect when a character is equipped with a sport card. Yeah, and I'd like to still show you one of the new characters that is recently produced by our game team. Our career. Yeah, I guess that's all.
Yeah, thank you. Looks good. Looks cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
And I have no more questions for you. Thank you, Rebecca.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Let's move on. Welcome to next project, Active Me. Let's welcome Tom from Active Me.
Hi everyone, can you see my screen?
Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Okay. Hi. Hello everyone, this is Tom from ActiveMe, and thanks to Trust EVM for having me here so that I can have this incredible opportunity to meet all you here and get such innovative ideas and present our product to you. So let me firstly briefly introduce ActiveMe. ActiveMe is a Web3 app that creates a healthy lifestyle for everyone, powered by camera-based AR motion capture and machine learning technologies. As we know, in Web2, there are numerous phenomenal fitness apps with huge user bases in every region of the world, which demonstrates the continued and strong demand for health and exercise products. But at the same time, they also have a pinpoint that they can never be solved well, which is the problem of revenue. So the result is with a huge number of active users, they can only bring a meager income. So we are combining the lifestyle app and Web3 app together into ActiveMe, as well as solving the problem of profitability of Web2 fitness apps. So our vision is we are aim to make everyone's life more valuable, both making your physical body more healthy and gain more monetary profits. We have been creating a healthy, valuable, sociable, sustainable Web3 technology. So today's presentation will introduce you to ActiveMe in 7 sections and will take about 8 minutes. First is our components. Motion capture is a very core technology of ActiveMe, providing real-time motion capture and movement mapping. By capturing and analyzing camera video images data at 30 frames per second, detecting and extracting 33 key points of the human skeleton, use deep neural network based on recognition of the user's body movements. So also we have a partnership with Ready Player Me, which takes advantage of Ready Player Me to provide us with the top level of avatar performance. Through different clothes and colors, our users are able to have exclusive avatar outfits. Okay. So the challenge mode is the key part of ActiveMe. In the challenge mode, user can choose the training movements they desire and follow the guidance from a 3D virtual AI personal trainer, finish the movement and get token rewards. At present, we have already supported 6 different movements like push-ups, open and close jumps, and squats, etc. We will explain to more than 10 movements in a short time. So, during the training process, the AI coach can provide you with real-time and targeted feedback according to the evaluation of your performance and moving trajectory. Make your movement more standard and more efficient, meanwhile reduce the risk of getting hurt. For example, the picture on the left shows the squat range is not enough, so the AI coach will give you text and voice prompts, and the 3D avatar will also show standard actions to make a demonstration. We support both system-generated workout plans or user-customized workout plans, helping our user to stick to their training goals. As we know, working out is a tough process for all human beings. Everyone tends to use as less energy as possible instinctively. So all of us need a scientific and elaborate training plan to follow up. Also, social is a very important point for us. We hope from the bottom of our hearts to provide more product value to our user through ActiveMe. So we provide user with teaming features so that they can establish their own team to gather and organize their team members or friends, supervise and motivate each other, share their access result, and work out with the team synchronized on the same screen. Oh, sorry about that. I shared the wrong application. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. I will rapidly go through the deck.
Okay.
Okay. This is about us, ActiveMe app, and our vision is to make your life more valuable. And components, this is our motion capture technology and NFT-based customized avatar and our challenge model. Okay. This is a real-time feedback, our workout program, and workout with friends. Okay. So here we go. Technology, we detect the user's body and movement through real-time camera-based motion capture and matching the movement through machine learning AI recognition technology. At the same time, we support all mainstream platforms. So here is a simplified process that explains how we work with the data and train the algorithm. The skeleton are extracted by taking hundreds of movement pictures from different angles to form a data set fit to the machine learning algorithm to derive the key features. Okay, here's our tokenomics. Let me give you an introduction to the economic system of academia. As a sustainable ecology, we have also done a lot of thinking and innovations in our economic models. We do not want to bring a new Ponzi-like structure to the market and to our users, which will soon fall into a death spiral, but a project that can really bring product values and social values to user and to the market. So there are higher requirement for the design of the economic models. So we want to minimize the earning element and emphasize on the experience. So actively have two types of tokens. The governance token is AMX, which has a supply of 1 billion, and the utility token is CAL, which has a supply of 21 million. Also, there is a reduction mechanism with a calorie token. There is almost no output in ActiveMe for AMX token, but the upgrading of NFTs, where a user can promote the efficiency of their NFTs, costs a large amount of AMX, which leads to almost a pure buying power of AMX token. Being our utility token, the CAL token is different from other projects. It has a limited supply and a reduction mechanism, which means the earlier the user gets involved in ActiveMe, the higher profits they will obtain, just like Bitcoin. Moreover, there are about 10 unique ways to spend Cowrie tokens instead of selling them. The detail will be introduced later. Here's our NFT. Sweatsuit is a pivotal NFT in ActiveMe. They can be worn on the 3D avatar or on your coach. There are 5 qualities of sweatsuits corresponding to 5 different intensity and efficiencies, which determine the productivity of obtaining carry token rewards during the exercise. Also, it is well known that the user participation threshold for most Web3 products is typically very high, and usually need to hold at least one NFT to be able to participate. So there is definitely no any requirement for user to join ActiveMe, and user could regard ActiveMe as an app that they can bring them to a healthy life instead of a speculative app. So we will keep all the data of user access records, total burned calories, and the token earned showing on the main interface. Once they want to claim the token they have earned, they will need to buy an NFT to redeem them. So by doing this, our target audience will not be confined to the Web3 user only, but all Web2 user our target and potential users. Here are some scenarios. For the medium term, we also want to create a comprehensive, healthy related ecology. So the online part, in addition to the core workout content, we will offer other rich content to users, like the leaderboard shows our user rankings to know how enthusiastic and energetic they are. The metal wall allows users to connect assorted metal and calorie token rewards. Online courses support users to join online fitness courses by paying calorie token, and even hire a remote real person as your personal trainer to guide you. The community allows users to share their experiences and lives with others. Some content or bloggers can receive tips from other users using calorie token, or buy the fitness equipment from our online mall using calorie token. Also, the official will endorse our communities to organize offline events to connect people physically, enhance their connections and relationships. And here's a comparison between ActiveMe and other projects. So ActiveMe is a fitness and wellness app. It can free to use, supports more than 10 movements with a 3D avatar, and it is hardware free. We don't need any other hardware, and it also supports AR, support indoor and outdoor. So the marketing part. For crypto user and non-crypto user, we have different strategy. For crypto user, we want to provide them with really product value, like providing them healthy lifestyle and habits that don't like other projects. They are highly speculative. Okay, for the non-crypto users, we want to give them additional monetary rewards without interrupting their fitness habits. So healthy plus free participation plus with friends plus rewarding is willingness to try for users. Okay. Also, we have the free-to-use mechanism that support user to get token rewards even without purchasing any NFT. And also, we have a referral program that intends the user to invite their friends to join us. And there is a huge number of fitness KOL and user worldwide. We have already contacted with about 20 fitness KOLs on YouTube, and we have already reached the intentions or agreements about the collaborations. So here is our partnerships. Presently, we will keep going on the partnerships. Team map and role. We are a full-stack game team with more than 12 years of experience in game development and publishing, and made and published dozens of games of different types. Our game has over 100 million registered users in total. In 2016, we were listed on a Hong Kong exchange through a wholly owned acquisition by a Hong Kong listed company. There were about 20 members in our team, and as we all know, OMUG is a RPG game developed and released by NetEase. It has more than 10 million DAUs and 200 million registered users. It is one of the world's most successful game. We have made the sequel to OMUG series of game named 清明传. It took our 1.5 years and development team of 70 people. Yeah. Here's our team, like our programmer, community operator, or engineer, and smart contract engineer. Okay. So here is our roadmap. Presently, we have finished the building of all infrastructures and finished the closed beta test. Next, we are going to launch our open beta testing and the pre-sale of the Genius NFTs in the fourth quarter of 2022. And we are welcome to all types of collaborations. So please feel free to contact me at any time. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your time.
Okay. Do you have demos to show us?
Yeah, I have a video we record maybe a month ago. Let me share with you. Okay, here we go. It's from our Twitter account. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, seems funny and practical.
Yeah. Thank you.
And yeah, that's the old for no more questions for your
Okay,
for
thank you,
asking me.
thank you.
Thank you. So let's come to the last projects we have today is Planet Second Metaverse.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah,
Can you see my
gotcha.
screen now?
Yeah, can see you.
Wait, sorry, because we got a short notice, so my laptop is not the brand new one. Hello, everyone. This is Sam from Planet Second. What is the killer application that can onboard millions of users onto Trust EVM? How to drive the growth of developer community? Here might be the answer. Data shows that Roblox has 10 million developers and 200 million active users. Here we present an advanced Roblox on-chain, a Web3 game design, publishing, and distribution platform. Let's see a short video.
Just like Roblox and Sandbox, Planet Second is an UGC metaverse game. However, Planet Second delivers brighter and richer colors with high-resolution rendering. You can tell the difference when importing the same 3D object. Avatars and scenes look more energetic in Planet Second. As well, through advanced modeling with smoothing groups, Planet Second further reduces the hardware usage for rendering. Therefore, the scalability is improved, compared to the others. Roblox is popular with younger users between the ages of 9 and 12, whereas Planet Second targets 15 to 35-year-olds. While a teenager may choose to play Pet Simulator on Roblox, an adult may prefer a social casino game, powered by a smart contract. Unlike the younger players of Roblox, the users on Planet Second have more purchasing power. Such adult players are more likely to monetize their contributions through building games, or creating and selling in-game NFTs. Planet Second provides a ready-made Web3 no-code solution to facilitate crypto payments, NFT tracking, assets transfer and sports betting, even fundraising for creating complicated games. On Roblox or Planet Second, players can build simple games without any programming knowledge. However, to make more detailed, fun and original games on Roblox, players should expect to invest around 2 months of study. Planet Second, though, only requires 1 or 2 weeks of study. As to the incentive to developers, Roblox follows a profit-oriented model, while Planet Second has a creator-oriented approach. To publish a game and make it popular to earn money, developers have to pay Roblox a heavy sum. On average, Roblox pays game developers 29 cents per dollar spent, whereas Planet Second will pay developers a whopping 75% of its revenue. Increasingly, gameplay is transitioning from a form of entertainment to a form of expression. The point of the game is to make a game. Planet Second is not only a new way of playing, but also a viable method of earning cash and creating a unique identity, while connecting players socially. Planet Second is completely open for players to create self-sustaining, user-generated worlds, with player-owned economies to match. To keep creators engaged and earning money, Planet Second enables token offering for games with a monthly income of $50,000 or more, or any kingdom or guild with more than 300 members. Creators may also invite friends and receive a portion of their transaction fees from the NFT marketplace. One founding member built the mobile game MMMM, which attracted 7M active users and earned over $16 million in revenues monthly. Another co-founder owns and operates the biggest global developer online community with over 9M active users and 30M page views per day. It is projected that Planet Second will similarly develop a sizable community for content creators, influencers and community builders, to provide them with opportunities for growth and personal monetization. Different from Roblox, Planet Second is a distributed open metaverse, not owned by a single company, cannot be shut down by a single individual. This is done by distributed node servers so that users can collectively secure the proper functions of the game engine. More than 20 games have been built and released by our users, including couple social casino games. Welcome to try it out. Social casino games and sports betting improve the rates of returning players. The testing version of Planet Second brought in 10,000 daily active users in 60 days without any token incentives. As of October 2022, Roblox has a market cap of $22 billion and hit nearly $80 billion last November. In a bear market, Sandbox is now worth $5 billion. As a Roblox competitor, Planet Second has a huge potential for growth and financial return. It's time to reshape the future metaverse and economics of game design and distribution. Don't hesitate to make an impact with your investment dollars while playing the game of the future, Planet Second.
Hi. Hi, bro. How are you today? As we get closer to the World Cup final, which team do you bet to win? The latest odds have Brazil as the favorite, given odds to win at 4, while France is given 6.5. What is your choice? Great. How much do you bet on France this time?
And I just show you a short example of another use case demonstrate our no-code Web3 solution, Digital Human, powered by AI and smart contracts. begin with players, enable sales and customer service on Trust EVM and its metaverse. In this example, the 3D, let's see my video. In this example, the 3D avatars answers questions, retrieve real-time data, scores, facilitate customer to place a bet. And so you have just seen the video, right? Can you see the video just now?
Yeah. We saw the videos.
Sorry for the networks. And is there any new ideas? Yes. Thinking about how can we do the car insurance in Metaverse. We can have a data-driven vehicle insurance based on driving style and the number of days on road. So the Planet Second Metaverse will help you to access the off-chain data and computing service. And a few lines of code. Anyone is able to build a Web3 game without knowledge of smart contracts, which enable e-commerce, trading, and banking in Metaverse. So developers and the entrepreneurs no longer have to develop buildings or games, no need for coding, but spend valuable time to create shining business models, attract customers, and provide decent services. So Planet Second will pave the way and enable new business model in this metaverse on Trust EVM network. Now I'm ready for any questions.
Thank you for your coming here with us. And do you mind touching brief on the economic model?
Sure. Here is multiple level business economics. So we have governance token for this metaverse, but for different games, kingdoms, or application, issue their owns. There are one kind of web chips facilitate different games, different kingdom, do the trading or banking. Here is a multi-chain platform. Here we connect with the Trust EVM and many other chains. Most of them are EVM compatible.
Okay. Can we see your roadmap?
Sure. Now everything is on board, and we have released our platform both on the Android and the iOS, especially on the Windows. And now we are building many new business models to facilitate different business models for Web3 users.
Thank you so much.
Very much. Thank you very much. Sorry, and apologize again. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys, that's the all today. Thanks to all teams and presenters for joining, and also thank your time and efforts on the demo day and Trust EVM testnet. All of you did a very good job. We now have a better understanding about the project, the vision, the future plan, the gameplay, etc. So we're gonna announce the winners on December 5th. And the winner in Discord raffle will be announced tomorrow. To developers who are interested but not join the hackathon round 1 and 2, you should take action to join the round 3, which has already started on DollaHacks. So, and to all audiences who are interested in the projects we have today, please join their community and follow their own social media. So by the end of the demo day, I want to thank you to all of us coming. We're gonna have some more fascinating events for the hackathon and marketing, so stay tuned.